Hello traders, how are you? Vladimir here from Traders Academy Club, and welcome to the Weekly Forex Forecast. Today we are preparing for trading week on 7th of August 2022. I hope you enjoy your summer so far, and in this video I would like to cover two trading opportunities that I find very interesting. The first one would be the euro dollar and then the NASDAQ. I want to cover them both as I believe they both are building up great opportunities to trade on the coming weeks. But before I go to the chart, if you are new to this channel, welcome to our amazing community, and please subscribe to the channel with the subscribe button below this video. And also I invite you to join our trading family, Traders Academy Club, where you will enjoy, as you can see on this very image, you'll get your access from a full free VIP price action course. You will enjoy from real-time trading ideas, real-time trading opportunities, and real-time trading education. Also, our amazing trading community and supportive environment. So join our family with the link below this video in the description. And now let's take a look. What do we have on the opportunities? I mentioned the euro dollar and the NASDAQ, which, by the way, also want to remind, if you still did not do that, these two amazing indicators, and actually many more, that you can see here on my chart, the virtual trading pen, what I draw with on my chart, and these amazing key trading levels, multi-time frame key trading levels indicator. As you can see, I control here all the levels directly, is available for you right here. You can find the links to each and every single one of them below the video in the description. Go there and download, install, enjoy it. You can find it here directly from my blog. You go to the strategies and courses, in-house indicators, and you can see here all the amazing solutions we have for you. Many of them are available also in the free version. So download with the links below this video in the description. What do we have on the euro dollar and what two scenarios I would like to follow here? So first of all, let's talk about the big analysis, the long-term analysis. We have a beautiful bounce out of the psychological level 1. The question is this bounce was just temporary and we will see one more low and one more clearance, which is very likely to happen, or we will see here first of all some attempt to retest the broken resistance area before we go down, and that's what I personally tend to think will happen. So there are two possible scenarios in this situation. The first one and the classical one, let's go here, as the euro dollar breaks this current two waves movement, it starts to gain some bearish trending structure by making 3 lower highs, lower lows, and then sell the rallies here. Becomes a great plan until the daily chart, so follow me here like this, until the daily chart would complete this bullish divergence. So we'll get lower lows on the chart versus higher lows on the MACD moving averages as well as the RSI. This will complete a bullish divergence and a sign of a reversal. This is the first very possible scenario, but I want to prepare you for the second scenario. What happens if before we start to build up the lower highs, lower lows? What happens if, due to the weekly bounce of the parity, the market would basically go to the buyers? And in that case, this could be a zigzag, 2 waves up and then 2 waves down. Okay, if we complete here some clearance, like going to this area below this low and bounce back, okay, to complete here some bullish divergence, for example. Okay, that's the scenario I want to get ready. Okay, so let's prepare that. Okay, so let's say we have the 2 waves and then we break above this falling resistance line and this high right here. When this scenario triggers, for me, this is a great sign. Let me just put the levels here. Okay, that's a great sign that we are ready. Break above, retest, and start to rally towards the next key area, right here around 105, where I personally believe we should see the euro dollar at, if not on this round, on the next round, but that's the scenario to the bullish direction that I have in my mind and I prepare. So that's two ways I plan to trade the euro dollar. And again, very important to say here, I'm not trying to predict or like vision what the euro dollar is going to make, because not me and not anyone else can do that. As traders, we prepare our trade and then we trade this plan. Okay, that's what we do, and that's why I wanted to share with you both scenarios, how and what I plan to do if the market provides this trading setup. Let me know, what do you think about the euro dollar? How do you see this one? Share your comments below this video in the description, and also if you find these videos useful, helpful, then please show your support back. Hit this little like button below this video, and thank you very much, of course, in advance to everyone who helps. Your help is very much appreciated, and thank you for taking the time to do that. If you have any question about anything I just explained, feel free to ask again in the comment section. So this was the euro dollar, and the next one would be the NASDAQ, which I also find very interesting, and I want to explain why do I find it so interesting. Before I go and explain everything on the chart, once again, a reminder, these indicators and many more are available for you in my blog directly. Okay, VladimirRibakov.com. You go here to my strategies and courses, in-house indicators. Many of them are available also in the free version, so just get the link to the direct product or from my blog, as I just showed. You can find them all below this video in the description. Download, install, enjoy. So what do we have on NASDAQ, and why do I expect a turnaround soon? So bouncing off a very overbought conditions here, right? The end of this rally, and a slowdown there with RSI dancing above 80. I believe that there is a very, very, very serious chance that we are building here some sort of a corrective movement. Okay, which means two waves to the downside. Going down to the weekly chart, look what happens there after this flip, right? We got higher highs, higher lows, and then look what happens. Okay, fake high, bearish divergence, and flip, lower lows. After these lower lows, we created here, as you can see, lower highs, lower lows. This is a bearish trending structure, and that's what makes me think that all this is just the first leg of two bigger ones for a correction. And that's exactly what I am looking to trade here. So the way I see that, the previous highs should be retested and used as a rejection area. Okay, between these two highs, the current high that is developing, there is a bearish hidden divergence developing for trend continuation. Lower highs on the chart versus higher highs on the indicator. So that's what I want. I want the NASDAQ to reach this key rejection zone, complete the bearish hidden divergence, and on the daily chart, what we are very likely to see. And note, this is not specific for now, this week, because it could take some time to develop. But that's what I expect here: some slowdown, fake higher highs versus critical lower highs on the indicator. That should be the sign that we are ready to start sell from this area. And for me, these zones I marked before, let's just put them here and go back to the daily. This is my first one. Okay, very important to mention, I mark here the swing highs on the uptrend and the downtrend. Okay, these are the zones. This is the first one that we have in play. Okay, right here, that's slightly higher. As soon as we reach here, I want to make sure we start to see here a bearish divergence. That will be a sign for me that right now, inside this marked area, it's a great opportunity to start looking to sell and aim back to the previous swing lows. So for me, this is an amazing building up sell opportunity. What does NASDAQ mean to you? How do you think it's going to play, and what do you actually think about the recent development, recent news coming out of the US with an amazing numbers, at least according to official sources, from the job market in the US, with great improved numbers in terms of income, and the Federal Reserve saying that we're not really in recession, and so on and so on. What do you think about NASDAQ? Are we going for all-time new highs, or it was just a little trap before sellers take over? Share with me what do you think below this video in the comment section. And I would like to thank you for your time watching this video. I hope you find these ideas interesting and useful. And once again, I invite you to join us in Traders Academy Club. Enjoy the best of the offers you can see in this image. And you are very welcome to join our amazing trading family. For any questions, please don't hesitate to ask below this video in the comment section. So once again, thank you for your time. Best to you and yours. Enjoy the rest of your summer, and I see you soon with more. Bye for now.